Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated December 9, 2022. Indian equity markets fell down today. Nifty opened gap up around 18,662 and managed to make a day high of 18,664. After that we can see some profit booking. At the time of close, Nifty was on a downtrend and gave a closing at 18,496. Similarly, SENSEX shed almost 389 points to give a closing of 62,181. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in red, with Nifty IT emerging as top loser with loss of 3.14%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Nestle India, Sun Pharma, and ITC. Out of these, two are from FMCG sector. Almost every FMCG stock showed positive signs today. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 2.30%, 1.24%, and 1.06% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, and Infosys. They fell within the range of 3.08% to 6.5% respectively. For the development in the corporate segment, we have electrical goods manufacturer Vigard Industries on December 9 has entered into an agreement to acquire a 100% stake in kitchen appliances company Sunflame Enterprises for 660 rupees crore on a cash-free, debt-free basis, subject to closing adjustments. The transaction is expected to close by mid-January 2023, and it would be funded through a mix of internal accruals and debt. The company has been able to maintain EBITDA margins in the 9 to 11% range on account of various cost optimization measures and operational efficiencies. Import alert for drugmaker Sun Pharmaceuticals' halal plant in Gujarat by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration could lead to loss of sales, according to brokerage firms Nomura and Credit Suisse. Japanese brokerage firm Nomura views the escalation to import alert as a negative surprise, as it will lead to loss of sales, besides delaying new product approvals. It estimates the overall loss of sales will likely be around $100 million in the near term. Credit Suisse estimates that the import alert would immediately cease Sun Pharma's annualized sales of $100 million in the U.S. US FDA has exempted 14 drugs, which contribute a further $50 million in sales, to avoid the risk of shortages in the market. The deadline to submit preliminary bids for IDBI bank privatization is likely to be extended by almost a month, till early January. The government and LIC together are looking to sell a 60.72% stake in IDBI Bank, and the last date for submitting an expression of interest or preliminary bids is December 16. Transaction advisors have received a few requests for an extension of the deadline. HDFC Bank has filed a joint scheme company petition with the National Company Law Tribunal in accordance with Section 230 to 232 of the Companies Act, seeking sanction of the tribunal for the merger proposed between HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited. The bank has already received the approval of the equity shareholders, which includes public shareholders, to the proposed merger scheme. Earlier this year, HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank announced that their respective boards have approved an all-stock amalgamation of the former into the latter, subject to regulatory approvals, thus creating a banking behemoth. Vaishali Pharma Limited was trading 19.93% up in today's trading session. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with net volume of 22,99,000. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 126.10 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. Stock is trading at its 52-week high today. A big green candle can be seen today, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Quad Pro ITES Limited was trading 19.83% up in today's trading session. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with net volume of 6 lakhs. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 5.70 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. A big green Maribozu candle can be seen today, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Raj Darshan Industries Limited was trading 19.91% up in today's trading session. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with net volume of 23,987. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 35.35 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. A big green candle can be seen today, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.